Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2021 Hot Wheels. I'm really digging these Hot Wheels J imports. Everyone I've opened so far, I'm really liking them a lot, and I'm loving this paint color right here. It's got a metallic mint green. A lot different than the package. And this is a 70 Toyota Celica from the 2021 Hot Wheels. Copyright says 2020. What are the Hot Wheels J imports? J is for Japanese. A dream collection of Japanese domestic market vehicles. So Hot Wheels Japanese imports. Let's get it open and see what this guy is made of. We have a big old truck going by right now, and it is carrying logs. You're going to hear that take off in a second. This car is really, really good looking. Look at that. I actually like that chrome bumper too. Or spoiler, I should say. All four wheels roll well. Not crazy about these mags with the copper color. Not really crazy about them. I don't hate them. They're not as bad as some other ones that I've seen. But let's see how it rolls. All four wheels roll well, so let's see how it goes on the track. Ooh, bounces back. Oh, I'm liking that. I put that bus down there at the end in case he wants to bounce off that Super Ball and fall off the porch. Oh, nice. And that's uphill, because this, I can't go any harder than that. Oh, let's see if we can go the other direction, maybe. Knocked over my guzzler. Oh, that was awesome. Well, we know how we're going to play with it. It's going to go backwards to the left. That is awesome. Big fun, big fun. Doesn't take much for me to have fun. Just opening up one of these cars just brings that 10-year-old out of me. And this color, there's none comparison. This is just really, really cool. Hopefully it gives me a good thumbnail. Thanks so much for tuning in. And as always, please subscribe.